Okay guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to go up and see what's happening with the Music Tavern. I know they're doing refurbishment up there. Seems like they're doing refurbishment everywhere at the moment. I don't know where all the money's coming from. So I'm going to have a walk up here, up past the indoor market, and have a look up there. I am on Marcus's camera. My son's shoes will run out. I think it's the battery that's gone on here. Where I'm right reliably informed, I'm getting a new one for my birthday on the 24th.
No, you're not.
So, there should be one something like Marcus's.
You're getting a brick phone.
Brick phone, that's there, yeah. I think it records loads of videos, Marcus, that'll do me. There's one way into the indoor market there. Up the ramp or steps. Okay, I don't know if they're starting to close up now. I don't know if someone's getting on. Have a look what time it is on there, Marcus, please.
37 minutes past 3.
Okay. Probably takes him a while shutting down with all the gear he's got. Maybe. So as I was saying on the last video, all the bars need to be shut by 5 at the moment. We are of course laid out till 10 o'clock. So what you do in them 5 hours, I don't know. There seem to be more people walking around the front at the moment. It's been a bit warm the last couple of days, so that might account for that. Hope you enjoyed the review we did the other day on the Four Kings. It's just a shame I couldn't put that bit in the middle. We actually done a review in the bar. As soon as I put it up, YouTube copyrighted it. I didn't even think about the music when we was doing it. So sometimes you just forget. But I hope you enjoyed the video. If you haven't watched the video, go and check it out. Okay, with this Music Tavern, people that was renting it left and went to another bar. Where did they go, Marcus? Do you remember?
Finistrat.
Went down to Finistrat. And the bar closed. And the last time we was up here, they were doing ripping stuff out on the back piece where they used to have all the tellies, the football on a weekend. Used to be a very busy bar, this. I think last year they missed out a bit. I don't know quite what happened, but they said they were very quiet all year. So they ended up giving the bar up. And then lockdown come in a few weeks after, you reckon, Marcus?
Yeah,
Probably about a month after. So it was probably the right decision for them at the time. We'll go up and have a look what they're doing. There's a dynastic hotel there, just walking past. This is one that has stopped open. I still see them loose signs, I think. Hospital here. Of course it's for hotel, not hospital. We'll walk up a bit and have a look at the front. Yeah, there's the .com. I believe they are still open. Just look, you see anybody in there, Marcus?
No, I think you've got to use the other entrance.
Maybe you go use the other entrance now. Right, it's still open, or they've been open very recently.
No, that's still open because there wasn't mobility scooter part one side.
Magnus and the detectives, this is now, isn't it, Marcus?
Mm-hmm.
Find out whether the places are open or not. A bit like that over Christmas. We've seen all these Christmas decorations coming out on the hotels. And you're thinking they're all going to open for Christmas. And I don't think any of them did, to be honest. I think it may have been just something saying that we're still here. We're just waiting for this thing to be over, and then we can open again. Get the people back. We know it's going to be a bit more difficult now with this Brexit thing. Come over. A bit more paperwork before you come, I think that's all it is. Super roll out of this vaccine. That should cover a few things. Okay, here's the Music Tavern. bit on the outside here. All that used to be covered in. So I don't know if this is as far as they've got, or they're going to leave that open now, maybe. Just be a nice little pub, this. Good food there. Usually if you stopped up this way, you'd have been in there at some time. I think they're just getting ready now for, gonna get ready, re-rented out to somebody. I think that's what the plan will be. They do seem to be doing a bit of making the main bar bigger. See there, it looks like they've built a bit on. So I don't know what they're going to do with it. Maybe a nightclub. That's what I would have thought. The nightclub there. They've got all this space down there. I can't see why they haven't extended out right the way down over to there. I don't know. Maybe it's planning wouldn't allow that. That would nearly double size the bar. And you've still got places for chairs and tables outside. We'll keep an eye on it and see how it goes. You've still got the menu outside there. From when it was open. I used to like going in on a Saturday afternoon, watch football in there. You've got most of the Premiership matches on. Okay guys, we're going to leave it there for this video. Like and subscribe as normal. And we'll see you on the next one.